Another plugin that I use on a lot of my sites is one that can shorten links. It also tracks links and does a lot of other useful things as well. The plugin itself is called Pretty Links, and it did recently change its name to Short Links, but then it changed it back from Short Links back to Pretty Links again. So if you don't find Pretty Links in the repository, check for Short Links. But at the moment of recording this video, it is called Pretty Links. So essentially it's a link shortener, and it can take a long link and it can shorten it to something that's much more convenient to share. For example, if I was out down the pub and somebody said to me, Andy, what web hosting do you recommend? I can say, well, look, you can go and read my article on easyseonews.com/hosting. That's fairly easy for them to remember, especially if they're familiar with my Easy SEO News website. But let's see what happens when we type that in. You can see that I've been redirected to a different web page. This link would be a lot more difficult to relay down the pub. And that was done by Pretty Links. Basically what I've done in Pretty Links is I've configured it so that whenever anybody types in easyseonews.com/hosting, they'll be redirected to this web page. This is popular on affiliate sites. So the Pretty Link plugin is a link redirection plugin that will allow you to create links that will redirect to a different URL. This can increase click-through rates because a lot of people don't want to click on links if they think they're an affiliate link. Well, you can cloak the fact that it's an affiliate link by putting it into a pretty link, and then people don't know it's an affiliate link until after they've clicked it, and then they may not even be aware then. It can also outsmart some ad blockers which block affiliate links. So that's another good reason for including this if you're building affiliate sites. Another reason I like to use them is link management, because it means I can manage all of the links in one place. I might have a website with 50 affiliate links. Each of those affiliate links is on a separate page, but I can manage them and update them as necessary from within a single location. Where this can be particularly helpful is if you use an affiliate link on multiple pages of your site. If the affiliate link becomes outdated and no longer works, then you've got to go on every page of your site to fix it. If you create a pretty link of that affiliate link and you use the pretty link on all of those pages, then when that affiliate link changes, you just go into your pretty links, find the one link, the one pretty link that represents that affiliate link, and then update the affiliate link, and it will be updated on all those pages. So it helps to maintain your links in one central location. And finally, Pretty Links can also do some link automation where you can auto hyperlink keywords to specific URLs, but that is a pro feature and we're only looking at the free version here, so we're not going to look at it in this video. Let's go across to the dashboard and we'll install Pretty Links and have a little look. Let's go to Plugins, Add New, and then we are going to search for Pretty Links. As you can see, it's the first one that comes up. Pretty Links Link Management, Branding, Tracking and Sharing plugin by Pretty Links. Let's install and activate. Once it's activated, you'll get this welcome screen that gives you some more information. You'll also get the menu item over here, Pretty Links. So let's just click on that to take us to the Pretty Links. And this is the dashboard where we can start setting things up. You'll see that features like categories, tags and keywords are all pro features, but we can still use Pretty Links for creating shorter links. And to demonstrate that, I'm going to go across to Amazon. I'm going to search for WordPress. Now, this is my book up here at number 1. Let's click on that to get to that page. I'm an affiliate of Amazon and I've got it set up so that I've got this Amazon Associates site strip at the top, and that gives me access then to things like affiliate links. So if I want to promote this book, I can grab the text link for this book, and let's just grab the full URL and we'll go back to Pretty Links. Now if I click on Add New, let's put a title This title just helps us. If we have a long list of pretty links, then this title will help us identify which pretty link does what. So give it a name that's going to make sense to you. And then under the target URL, I'm going to just paste in the URL for the book. And as you can see, there's no way I can go and give that to somebody in the pub. Pretty link. This is going to be added to the end of the domain for our pretty link. So our domain, this is a local site, so that's the domain, WordPress for beginners.local / and then whatever we want here. I'm going to put WP book, and then I can add a note and then up here to click the update and publish. Now, once it's published, you can see that we've got the pretty link here in the list. I can grab the pretty link, then let's just go to a new tab and paste in that link. You can see that the link is the domain name / WP book. If I press return, watch what happens. It's automatically redirected to that long URL, where if somebody now buys this, I'm going to be making a commission. One nice feature of this table that isn't a premium feature is this clicks. When somebody clicks on the link, you'll get notification that one person has clicked, and that is number of clicks with unique clicks. So if I was to click on this again, it would then go 2 to 1 because it's 2 clicks, but they're both by me. So you can keep track of how popular your links are, how many times they've been clicked. But going back down the pub again, I can say, if somebody asks me, can you recommend a good book on WordPress? I can say, yes, go to my domain name / WP book, and there will be my recommendation. A lot easier than trying to give them the full URL. Just to emphasize something I mentioned earlier, if I had this link, the / WP book, on multiple web pages, I might even have them on other sites. Let's say I have written a guest article and I've put a link to this book, but then all of a sudden the affiliate link changes and the affiliate link then gets broken. Then all I need to do is go back into my pretty links, click on the pretty link I want to edit, update the affiliate link to the new one, and then update and save it. And then everywhere where that my domain / WP book link is located will then redirect to the new affiliate link that you've just updated. So that is one of the really, really good, powerful features that is available in this free version of Pretty Links.